Good morning to all. I think so all are fine. Maybe all are you following about the preparing well for your further classes. Today I'll start new chapter. Already we completed matrices. Today's class we should discuss about the new chapter, extension of the matrices. That is called as determinant of the matrix. Determinants. Determinants. Today we will start newly, that is called as determinant of the matrices. Generally, already we know that the definition of the matrices and the types of the matrices concept and how we should discuss, then how to add the two matrices, how to separate the two matrices, then multiplications, all the transpose, everything we discussed. Today concept is called it as determinant. This determinant concept also we are using in various fields in other places like other subject, other subjects also we discuss in various fields. Practically we are using so many places. We are using the topic of determinants. First we can use it. Determinant. Generally we are using for about determinant for a square matrix. Very important. Determinant for a square matrix. But further classes of not for our syllabus. Further classes we should discuss about the determinant of some more extension, but our syllabus is giving about the determinant of a square matrix. Already you know very clearly the meaning of the square matrix. Today's concept is, first we should discuss about the determinant of a square matrix. Determinant of a square matrix. Determinant of a square matrix. Determinant of a square matrix means to find out, to calculation of the determinant of the given matrix, compulsory the matrix should be a square matrix. Already we know that the definition of the square matrix. What is the definition of the square matrix? Means a matrix in which number of rows are equals to number of columns. A matrix in which number of rows are equals to number of columns. Such type of matrix is called it as square matrix. In this square matrix, what are the square matrices are there for us means 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix means number of rows are 2, number of columns are 2. It's a square matrix of order 2 by 2. What's the meaning of 3 by 3 means number of rows are 3, number of columns are 3. Such type of matrix is called it as square matrices of order 3. Say, determinant of a square matrix we should discuss. Determinant of a square matrix of order 2 we will discuss the definition. Determinant of square matrices of order 3, that one also we can discuss. So to discuss about that very clear information, what is the meaning of determinant of a square matrix? Okay, now that we can write down. Let capital matrix A of Aij. The definition of determinant of a square matrix means the matrix can be represented. Matrix A can be Aij of order m by n. M by m. M by m means number of rows are also m, number of columns also m. This is called it as square matrix. Is a square matrix of order m. If a square matrix of order m, let A, matrix A can be written as Aij of m by m. M by m means number of rows are m, number of columns also m. Rows and columns are equal, so this is called it as square, that is square matrix. Is a square matrix of order m. In this condition we can say that then det A means determinant of matrix A. See that, very important for you. Listen properly. Previously in mathematics This is called it as modulus. In matrices, that is modulus. In matrices and determinant, this is called it as determinant, symbolical representation of determinant, determinant of matrix A, determinant of matrix A, determinant of matrix A, shortcut form is called it as det A, det A or determinant of A. Listen very clearly, det A or determinant of A is called determinant of a square matrix. Very, very important for you. What is the meaning of determinant of? What is the meaning of determinant of a square matrix means? What is the meaning of determinant of a square matrix means? Aij of order m by n means number of rows, number of columns are equal, is a square matrix of order m, then det A that is equals to, this is symbolically denoted by determinant of A. This is symbolically denoted by determinant of A. This is called it as determinant of square matrix. This is a definition. This is a definition. How this definition will be implemented for determinant of a square matrix of order 2 by 2 or determinant of a matrix order 3 by 3, that we will discuss. So this is a definition of the determinant of the matrix. Then determinant of a square matrix, determinant of a square matrix of order 2, then you will get one clarity related that determinant of a square matrix of order 2 means let matrix A, I should take it as a some variables A, B, C, D. See this A, B, C, D. This is one example, one variables. Let matrix A, B, C, D be a square matrix. Be a square matrix of order 2. See this, of order 2 means 2 by 2. Square matrix means number of rows and number of columns are equal. Be a square matrix of order 2, then det A, that is determinant of A, that is equals to determinant of A, B, C, D. Here you have to remember very carefully. Here you have to remember very clearly. Determinant of square matrix of 2 by 2. Determinant of A, B, C, D means, what's the meaning means? Just you can multiple with A into D. Listen very carefully. This we need to multiplication. A into D. That is called as AD minus. Next we need to multiple with B into C. Next we need to multiple with B into C. That is BC. This is called it as determinant of a matrix of order 2 is called determinant of a matrix. Is called determinant of a matrix. Its place is not sufficient. Please listen very clearly. The given matrix of order 2 by 2, matrix A can be written as A, B, C, D, be a square matrix of order 2, then det A, symbolically denoted by determinant of A, determinant of A, B, C, D. How we are calculating determinant of A, B, C, D means, determinant of A, B, C, D means A into D minus B into C. Always we can start from A into D only. So many students they will get confused and B into C minus A into D. Wrong. A into D minus B into C, AD minus BC is called determinant of a square matrix of order 2. This is the meaning of determinant of a square matrix concept in the case of determinant of square matrix of order 2. Similarly, determinant of square matrix of order 3 will be there. That we will discuss later. First we have to understanding how to calculate the values of determinant of the matrix of order 2. First we can finish it. After finishing, then we will go to some problems related to the concept of determinant of a matrix of order 2. If you need anything, you need to copy it first. We will go to some problems related to this determinants chapter. First example problem, evaluate determinant of 2, 4, 6, 8. Roughly. Determinant of, for it is a determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Evaluate determinant of 2, 4, 6, 8. How to find out this problem? Very simple. Maybe while doing the problems one by one, then you can understand it easily. Determinant of 2, 4, 6, 8. I already informed you. First multiple with AD, 2 into 8. 2 into 8 minus 4 into 6. Simplify, very simple. 2 into 8, 16 minus 4 into 6, 24. 24 minus, that is plus 16 minus 24. Plus 16 minus 24. You will simplify. You can get the value of minus 8. Answer over. That's all. That's all. The determinant of 2, 4, 6, 8. Determinant of 2, 4, 6, 8. First we need to multiple with 2 into 8 minus multiple with 4 into 6. 2 into 8, 16. 4 into 6, 24. While subtraction of these two, the value should be known as minus 8. Write down first. Suppose one more problem like this. Evaluate determinant of cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta. So very simple. This is that number of rows are 2, number of columns are 2. It's a determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. How to find out solution? Determinant of cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. So how we should know? First we should multiple with cos theta into cos theta. Cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta into minus sin theta. Minus sin theta into sin theta. See this very cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, minus into minus plus sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta value is equals to 1. That's all. Simple problem related to the topic of determinant of a square matrix of order 2 topic. Determinant of a square matrix of order 2. Next problem. Next problem. If matrix A value is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Matrix A value is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Find determinant of 2A. Det of 2A. Det of 2A or determinant of 2A, both are. Det is nothing but symbolical representation of determinant of the given matrix. See how to find out this problem. The given problem is solution given matrix A 1, 2, 3, 4. But we need to find the determinant of 2A. To find the determinant of 2A, first to calculate the value of 2A. Matrix 2A calculate. First we can find out now 2A. 2 into matrix A. So 2 into matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Simplification, what the answer will come for you? 2, 4. Already we know that. This is called it as scalar multiplication of a matrix. A scalar is multiplied by the entire given matrix. This scalar element is multiple with each element inside the matrix. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 4, 8. Scalar. After simplification of 2A, then we have to find out determinant of 2A value is equals to determinant of 2, 4, 6, 8. How we are multiplying that one? 2 into 8 minus 4 into 6. So 2 into 8, 16 minus 4 into 6, 24. The value is minus 8 is your answer. Better. Need information. Given matrix is matrix A value can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4. Find the determinant of 2A. How to find the determinant of 2A means given matrix A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. 2A matrix is 2 times of 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a scalar multiplication of a matrix. So this scalar element is multiple with each element inside the matrix. 2, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 4, 8. Now we can apply determinant of 2A value is equals to determinant of 2, 4, 6, 8. I already informed you. First multiple with 2 into 6 minus multiple with 4 into 6. Then you can 2 into 8 minus 4 into 6. So 16 minus 24, answer is minus 8. Next problem. Next problem. If matrix A 1, 2, 4, 2. If matrix A 1, 2, 4, 2, then show that determinant of 2A value is equals to 4 times of determinant of A. Determinant of 2A value is equals to 4 times of determinant of A. The given matrix A is equals to 1, 2, 4, 2. Then show that determinant of 2A value equals to 4 times of determinant of A. So in this problem solving, what is the given matrix? Solution given matrix A 1, 2, 4, 2. First to calculate the value of LHS, then calculate the value of RHS. Calculate the value of LHS, calculate the value of RHS. LHS, what we need to find out? Determinant of 2a value calculate. Determinant of 2a value calculate. First we can find out the value of scalar multiplication of 2 into matrix A, that is 2 into matrix is 1, 2, 4, 2. The value can be written as matrix of 2, 4, 8, 4. Now we can take the values of LHS. LHS value, determinant of 2a. The value can be written as determinant of 2, 4, 8, 4. Very simple. Show that determinant of 2a value is equals to 4 times of determinant of a. They are giving the problem. In this condition, to find the LHS, determinant of 2a, first to find out the value of 2a matrix, then after that we can find out determinant of 2a. The value can be written as 2 into 4 minus 4 into 8. The value can be written as 8 minus 24. Sorry. 2 into 4, 8. 4 into 8. What is the value of 4 into 8? The value of 4 into 8 value is equals to 32. Simplification. 32, this is plus 8, this is minus 32. This is plus 8, this is minus 32. We can simplify 30 from 32, we need to subtract 8. So what's the value we get? Minus 24. This is the value of LHS. This is the value of LHS. Then coming to the value of RHS. Coming to the value of RHS. RHS we need to calculate 4 times of determinant of A. 4 times of determinant of A. First we can find out determinant of A. Determinant of 1, 2, 4, 2. So we can simplify. What's the value will come? 1 into 2 minus 2 into 4. 2 minus 8 minus 6. What is the value of RHS? The value of RHS is equals to 4 into determinant of A, that is 4 into minus 6, the value equals to minus 24. See that the LHS value also equals to minus 24, RHS value also equals to minus 24. Therefore, LHS and RHS both are equal. We can write down therefore LHS value is equals to RHS. Therefore, determinant of 2A value equals to 4 times of determinant of A. Hence it is proved. So again I am teaching once again for you. Remember, that is the given matrix is matrix A equals to 1, 2, 4, 2. In this condition, first to find out LHS, determinant of 2A. So first we can find out the value of 2A. 2A means 2 times of matrix 1, 2, 4, 2. This is a scalar multiplication of a matrix. This scalar 2 is multiple with entire the elements inside the matrix. 2, 1 into 2, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 4, 8, 2 into 4, sorry, 2 into 2, 4. LHS determinant of 2A. LHS determinant of 2A, determinant of 2, 4, 8, 4. Already we know that determinant of 2 by 2 matrix 2 into 4, 8 minus 4 into 8, 32. Simplification we can get the value of minus 24. This is the value of LHS. Then coming to the value of RHS. RHS value is 4 into determinant of A. So first we can find out the value of determinant of A. Determinant of 1, 2, 4, 2. 1 into 2, 2, minus 2 into 4, 8, plus 2 minus 8, the value is equals to minus 6. But what is the value of RHS? RHS value is 4 into determinant of A, 4 into minus 6, the value is equals to minus 24. See here, LHS value also minus 24, RHS value also minus 24. So LHS and RHS both are equal. So we can say that determinant of 2A value equals to 4 times of determinant of A. This is your answer. Next, one more model problem like this one for you. If determinant of 3x x1 value is equals to determinant of 3, 2, 4, 1. If determinant of, find the value, if determinant of 3x x1 value is equals to determinant of 3, 2, 4, 1. Then find the value of x. Find the value of x. Important problem. So many students are getting confusion such like this problem is there. Next problem, if they are written that if determinant of 3x x1 value is equals to 3x x1 value is equals to determinant of 3, 2, 4, 2. Then find the value of x. This is the problem. So many students are getting confused. Why? Because equality of the two matrices is different. Equality of the two determinants is different. Very, very important. In the case of equality of two matrices, their corresponding elements are equal. But in the case of equality of two determinants, corresponding elements are not equal. Their answers only equal. Very, very important. So many students are getting confused. In the case of equality of two matrices, corresponding elements are equal. But in the case of equality of two determinant, their answers are equal, not corresponding elements are equal. So in this problem, solution, what is the given? Determinant of 3x x1 value is equals to determinant of 3, 2, 4, 1. So many students, they are thinking about that. Here 3 is there, here also 3 is there, here 1 is there, here also 1 is there. So one value of x is 2, one value of x is 4. So like this we will say it is your answer is on. This is called it as determinant. Two determinants are equal means this value calculation is equals to this value calculation. While coming and asking you, anytime I am coming and visiting and I am asking you, like that I am writing, what is the value of x? Immediately you can say that, sir, x equals to 2, x equals to 4 means you didn't listen the class. That I know. I can understand him easily. Are you listening the class or just you are engaged in the class? How can we know? Means that depending on the asking the questions for you. So Clearly you have to understand properly. First to calculate the left hand side of the determinant value. Then calculate the right hand side of the determinant value. Then you can equal. Then you can get the value of x. Very clear. So how to find out here? 3 into 1 minus x into x is equals to, here also 3 into 1 minus 2 into 4. The value is 3 minus x square, value is equals to 3 minus 8. Both side plus 3 cancel. Both side minus elimination. X square value is equals to 8. The value of x value is equals to plus or minus square root of 8. X value is equals to plus or minus 2 root 2. This is your answer. No need to get the confusion. Whenever two determinants are equal, their values only equal, not for corresponding elements. Remember carefully. So determinant of left hand side value is equals to determinant of right hand side value. Then you can simplify. Then you can get the value of x. Right away. Right. Same model question. Same model question. If determinant of 2, 3, 4, 5 value is equals to determinant of x, 3, 2x, 5. See that if determinant of 2, 3, 4, 5 value is equals to determinant of x, 3x, 2x, 5, then find the value of x. Same problem, same model question, how to find out? Same model question, how to find out means given determinant of 2, 3, 4, 5 value is equals to determinant of x, 3, 2x, 5. Simplification can be written as 2 into 5 minus 3 into 4 value is equals to x into 5 minus 3 into 2x. Simplification value is 10 minus 12 value is equals to 5x minus 6x. Minus 2 value is equals to minus x. Therefore, x value is equals to 2. That is your answer. Simple. Determinant of two matrices. Two determinants should be equal. Their corresponding elements are not equal. Their place values only equal. Remember, that is very, very important. If, one more problem, if determinant of x to 18x value is equals to determinant of 6 to 18 6, then find the value of x. Then find the value of x. Then find the value of x. in this problem, solution given determinant of x to 18, its value is equals to determinant of 6 to 18, 6. So whenever these two determinants are equal, first to calculate their values. X into x square minus 2 into 18. 2 into 18. 36. Value is equals to 6 into 6, 36 minus 2 into 18. 36. The value can be written as x square minus 36 value is equals to 0. X square value is equals to 36. X value is equals to plus or minus root 36. The value of x is equals to plus or minus 6. The value of x is equals to plus or minus 6. These are the problems related to the topic of determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Today's class fully we discuss what is the meaning of determinant of the matrix. Today's class fully we should discuss about what is the meaning of determinant of the matrix. Then after that determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Then how to calculate the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, the problems we should discuss. Then in the case of 2 by 2 matrix, whenever the two determinants are equal, how to find out the values of x, that concept we will discuss in today's class. Next class we should discuss determinant of a square matrix of order 3. This determinant of 3 by 3 matrix concept we can discuss for next class. Okay. Thank you very much for today's class. Thank you. One.